SVRA stock analysis next week. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Savara Incorporated has been sitting at 335. Like also 3% gains. I want to see mainly the last week's performance. The market is still open, so we do have like 25-ish minutes left. But decent week. I'm not gonna like, it was not the best or anything, but decent. It was like a pretty slow, you know, turnaround. So it's not like a bullish market. And since it's not a bullish market, it's a bearish market, like I'm more so kind of open to the price even giving me like the idea of it actually giving me a double break so then I can short. Just makes the most sense as of right now. This is only for now and not forever. So if I see that double break, then only then I'll short. Anything else is just complete noise. So like a little normal fee here, and all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm just waiting. See you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.